Hello, I'm Corey Heminger. Most people never get started earning online because they keep running into the same walls. Entry fees, monthly payments, free trial tricks, and systems that promise everything but deliver nothing. So, I decided that I am going to change that. I'm giving people the chance to get started earning online without paying anything out of pocket, because I'm personally covering that cost. You heard that right. I am personally covering the cost for people to get started earning income online. No free trial. No hidden monthly payment to start. No games. Once I mark you paid, you'll be able to access the leads, capture pages, included Cardly profile, scripts, and lead finder tool. You will also be able to watch training videos that will show you everything you need to know to use the system successfully. The commissions you can earn with this system can be up to $500 each, paid to you directly, so there is no waiting for payments. You literally won't need to pay anything out of pocket to earn online with this platform. You may be asking why. Why would I pay for people to get their start online? Because now that I've had success in online business, I want to help more people get to that same point and experience more freedom in life. This platform has been around for many years and has been helping thousands of people earn their first dollar online. Here's what you will need to do in order to take advantage of this limited time opportunity. Go to lod.digitalwebkings.com and create your login. Then log into your new profile. Then message me the words, "Hey, it forward." You will find my personal contact info in the description of this video. When you do that, I'll go in and mark you paid. That is it. It really is just that simple for you to get started. Go to lod.digitalwebkings.com, create your login, then message me, pay it forward. And at that point, you will then be able to access the system, the training videos, the capture pages, the daily leads to market to, everything you need to earn commissions online. If you have questions or problems, please reach out. You will find my phone number and email address in the description. I hope to hear from you soon.